Hi, my name is Manoj Dankani and I'm the director here at Quarterfold Printabilities. We are in Taloja, Navi Mumbai. And we are into this imprint management solution company, and we established in 2014. We cater to printing solutions for all educational books, right from kindergarten to higher level. And we aim to provide accurate designing, printing high quality books across the world, predominantly to Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, Ivory Coast, Central Africa. We do Cameroon. We also started doing East Africa countries like Tanzania, Nigeria, Uganda, Zambia, etc. And we have started also catering to Mexico, Germany, and UK as well. Apart from this, we have a big market in India also. Well, we started off directly with Komori. When we started, that was in 2018. We bought our first press with Komori, and we were really excited with the brand new machine which we bought. Post that, we did try a Hannibal, we did try a Ryobi, but we bought the used ones. We didn't buy a brand new one. But the results were not as satisfactory as what Komori did to us. In short, Komori for us was value for money, and that gave us a reason to buy one more brand new, which we bought last to 2022. We bought one more brand new Komori machine. So we use their CIP3 technology, which helps us giving top results, clean results, hassle-free results, to name a few. Komori, we are associated from the last 6 years, and one thing I would say that it was one of our finest decisions. The primary reason to invest with Komori was because of their superior, robust brand presence, network, and given technology and a long history in the industry. That's number one. And another advantage is their good pre-sales and after-sales services, so which has helped us to grow as well along with them. We don't treat them as a vendor. We treat Komori as our partner in this industry. Regarding training, they have given us excellent training to my operating team, and the best part about their training is they keep it very simple. So there is no hung-ho about the training part. All my operators are very happy to be trained with the Komori team. They are just a call away. Even on the 11th hour, whenever we call them, they are just always here to support us. Komori as a brand, we call it, it's a very proven model. We call it the workhorses. We print about 5 to 6 million impressions a month with over 1,000 make-readies or changeovers, whatever we call them. So it by itself says that it is giving us the output what we want. And as far as clients require, as long as the quality is good, client doesn't matter. It doesn't matter for the client which machine we use. But yes, we proudly tell them that we do it on Komori. So that brings a smile on the customer's face as well. Like I said earlier also, Komori is just a phone call away from us. And apart from that, their AMC programs are excellent. I would not remember any breakdown we had with them for last 6 years or so. So it's good going for us. Production efficiency, I would say on-time delivery is above 95%. Done. Quality, I want to keep it simple, best and consistent, which is the key. Delivery schedules, well, if the efficiency is high, the production is on time, by default the delivery schedules are matched. That makes my customer happy as well. Customer satisfaction, back-to-back orders, we're working 24/7. That's it. Development of new applications. We are on the verge of diversifying and growing, and we are planning to take increase our factory, 2 more units now. And needless to say, Komori will be a partner with us on those 2 units also.